Zai baru kini kilong ki kubor bam tagasi. Kertong MP ke United Democratic Party UDP na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency.
Personal issue. And
Vivanstone ji kharngap kenta ulong baka election padba ka ai halat iki padba ban bisha barai la unu kertong uba biang tamban mi khmat iki padba.
And I felt that the best
Abakran shikilat pathai kubor ba Vivanstone ulong ba umkwa abakran kento iki bi pat ki kertong sengsan pathai mereka rai ka bakhat ka shang haki.
It's a very old party.
Long bakum udu khaj ke UDP lada unsha ajin.
In fact, it is the offshoots
ka
of
bakong santam
many
ka
regional
ban.
all party
Grand
leaders
Bajin Day kiwe ki MP hapon
when we had the hill
nang
people
banra
meet.
iki mat jong ka jila sha sungkan teng
This is, you can
kabakal
say,
tam galong ka jing Grand Bajin
holding
sno tho
company
la idon kinu
all
kinu ki
those
mat ki be dei ba ka jila
account
iha
about
banra
succeed
so ka
across
se
society.
parliament ba jing troi lang ba kiwe bi ong ka Vivanstone
Along the way, Nikki
long
Kian
ba ka jila
eight
ka
schedule.
ja ka de ka bakal
Now
sa
you
na
think
ka
that
jing
you
ong
can
ka six schedule
the
ba
Jikwa,
autonomous district
the
council
Kampala.
iba ai jing da ka jila ba de
Apo state joni ru ni dan ka lakajong ka language
om Devan Island iknu minu ki bor pai ba ni jinya pai ba pendu ne pendret ik bor district council na mar kini ki pinta ki la ai jinya da na riti sumsha ki ka 6 schedule but ki district council ki jinya da ha constitution
Dik point ka ba
ide banya da ki ne but om Devan Island ki sha pendu no na mar kinu ki jinya ta
kaman toy bani thu ya inti
ba Vivanstone lo ong ru bala da tang Marwei Pyrta parliament ka yang
Ndre apo yung sari par kadang yang
trailang ba jinya dili but ki ki jilla
naman nga ba
MP
sim
ban pen
iki cases na kanyang na nagbanta ki kasi ki no first electoral politics that I have jumped into, and my having left the BJP is a personal issue, and it has got nothing to do with electoral that I've been deprived of a ticket or something like that. I have joined only for some time, and I felt that the best platform is the indigenous platform. The UDP, United Democratic Party, is a very old party. It's not new to politics. In fact, it is the offshoots of many regional parties. All party Hills Leaders Conference. Then we had the Hill People Unit, and this is, you can say, a holding company of all those regional political parties. Account about kasi across society, kakwa, baya ka kitian kasi, kalong kaway ni kitian po 8 schedule. Kau yang pergi ke account, kajikwa kada dan Kampala. Ndre, apa state joni ru ni dan ka lakajong ka language kapag nikom ki ang tangke English. Barbenta kada include ka kasi garo lumna ordinance. Di kata ka cekan tang si dunay kahabdan ka kabanhaban pelang ay pelang do pelang snab ko assembly. Di ka point ka ba shiwet kumu lawyer ba sutu kalang ba. Kaman toy bani thu ya intian kasi haki sarkar office kaleng-kaleng. Ndre apo yung sari par kadang yang tang actin English. Naman nga ba sim yaki cases na kanyang na nagbanta ki kasi ki no kandang. Tangka kitin kimlang kitin pareng. Bihaban pen kelas ka kitin pareng ki kerana kasi. But habaki ay jawab ya na ay pareng. Dala suara ki apo ka yang bisa kimlang ban jawab. Habara thon ka English. Habak kim suthoy ka kitin English. Nga soba ya ka kitin kasi. Daiwan pentekam hakiing syari, hakiing bisa. Dan rumta kalong lenoy, kuresibon. Ki paiba kirayo kala kasien kabinikom. Dan ha yung senior advocate, John Kanika Zala Kajumi, sa po parliament. Naman ba ki paiba kirayo iya nga nakapor sa kapor. Te ngam sukwa ban suksan rumpay rem dorba. Ada kami ban mi Syakmat naman tayo rin ko sa ito. Baro si kata, baro si jingem jonga nga yasa tangha yung sari. Naman tayo interest yung ki clients ki jonga. Di lesi naman tayo di ka thong gani ka lat ka linti. Kaya ba niya side naman tayo rin ko sa ito. Kata ka di ka muto ko jonga. Nah, ibu pun nasi hari ni pun jelas jungi. Apa kita kena ai, ibu kita nak kari kerja beri. Tentang nama bagi bukan pala kita kuliah bah. Penuksa ke bang apa man ai hari ni kalau bah. Kalau kadang kecing penyetho under the Indian Marriage Act, apa kita penyetho pastor lani pada. Hangi ketu kalau ai, kalau valid. Ni ke सरकार में खने हकवई por donra ka ain ke ba ong ba hadin bala de pinya tho nada ki sijur kala de tho do pastor de adar ne da manu ru kidai ban lei ban register biang su sisi ta ko ka tu ka jing pinya tho de adar pastor kalau kam kai ti nga yang tenge hakawai ne ki rensan nakaliang jong ki kabalang presbyterian Hakabangala yang tipo high court balong pa kajing penyetho teki padar ne pastor balong final indam kam su bangan lek ban register asia danga kini kising lalap badon ki sijo bagi ko ban lek jing lek chaba ki lek ban register biang under the special marriage act so but the second marriage under special marriage act kalong bakla she sin hi bala de penyetho under the Indian Marriage Act ketak lalong final ita ini ibai nuksa panong ba na dam kanu ki ain hapo parliament ki wakta ya ka tribal laws ini ban sim interest ban pule ki kata kabel ndai bu susab jar ban so yes no kano it is always to have a choice now the public will have a chance the Khasi Jantia people will have a chance to choose a candidate, whether they want a lawyer who's already connected with the masses or whether they want a teacher. In this case, I don't have any comments about the candidates of other political parties, but I will say that my foray into electoral politics is the first time. The public are yet to see whether I will be a good performer or not. Now in this case, as I have indicated earlier, being a member of parliament from the United Democratic Party, if I am going to go to parliament and raise the voice of being an indigenous party from Meghalaya, I'll be lost in the ocean. Because when you go to parliament, the communication is the biggest asset. I have to be able to win the confidence of other members of parliament. And if I have an issue involving the state, involving the Jaitandre, I cannot do alone. I'll have to sing along. I have to sing along with all others. I have to try and speak Hindi also, perhaps, to be able to convince others to take up my issues of my state. That's it. My plus point is that I'll be able to communicate with all others. I'm not so communal that I'll be alone in the future. No. For the interests of the people of Khasi Jantia, I will definitely walk along with other members of parliament for our interests. Now we have got the border issue. We have got the involvement of the inclusion of the Khasi language, Garo language in the age schedule. Now, that will not be sufficient if I'm going to raise my voice alone. I have to work with others. I have to take everybody into confidence. Then I am having an interest strengthening the district council. Now we have got the district council here in Meghalaya. They should not be weakened. They should not be brotherly treatment by the state government. No. We must have that autonomy. The constitution has provided autonomy for the tribal areas of Meghalaya. That autonomy should not be wiped out because of few vested interests. That's all.
Kasih.